welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanika and today I am gonna tell you all about Candle Day. So Candle Day is an event that is held every year by Bath & Body Works. This is my first year actually participating in Candle Day. I didn't even know it was a thing. This year though, I've really enjoyed using candles. I've really enjoyed burning candles. I just feel like it gives such a nice aroma to the room, really puts me in a mood. Like, candles are so much more than just fragrance for me. It's really just setting the mood. It's really about self-care for me, and I think when I burn the candles, I am just in my self-care mood. Bath & Body Works, if you're not familiar, they have candles, and they have a lot of candles, and a lot of people love their scents because there's so many different variations. So the crazy deal with the Candle Day is that you get it at a discounted price. Usually their candles are $25.99, and now you get them for $11.95 Canadian. So this is $11.95 Canadian, and these are the 3-wick candles. Candle Day for 2021 this year is December 3rd to December 4th. So today is Thursday, December 3rd. So I went on the very first day, and they also have it online on today as well. So it's 1 day only online, which is today, and then they have 2 days in store, which is today and tomorrow, so December 4th. So hopefully I put this video up, and if you guys are planning to buy tomorrow, you guys can see this video, and or if you guys watch this next year, this will be informative for you. Tips, or I'll give you tips throughout the video, but tell you a little bit about my experience. So it's very important that you go early and you go in the morning ideally, because there's less people probably in the morning. So that's why I wanted to go immediately when the mall opened. And I also would highly recommend that you call before to see what time they open, because some places will open earlier than their usual time, if that makes sense. So the mall usually opens at 10, but the Bath & Body Works store actually opened when I got in there, and I asked the employee. She said that they opened at 6 in the morning because of Candle Day. So they opened one entrance earlier so people can go in. People from last year said that there was lineups. There wasn't any lineups when I went. Thankfully, I went early. Like, I went at 10 when the mall opened, so there wasn't that many people, and I'm glad that I didn't have to line up. And I'll probably show you guys some clips inside the store, and there wasn't actually that much people inside the store, which I was surprised. I've been to Bath & Body Works when they had like a normal sale, like on their body care product in the middle of the day, and sometimes it is packed, like you can't even move. So thankfully it was not like that. It went by fast, and I feel like because it's getting more popular, candles are getting more popular, they're prepared. I feel like Bath & Body Works is prepared, because they had, like, no joke, like 8 people on cash, or like 6 to 7 people on cash. So this is my first one. So I feel like some of the stuff that I got were kind of basic, but I've never had that many Bath & Body Works candles before, so I was just kind of trying the basic ones that a lot of people talk about. I didn't really try any crazy new candles, or the go-to candles that they have year-round. I didn't really go for Christmas candles, so that's one thing I should point out. The first one that I got, so this is Flannel by Bath & Body Works. This is part of the White Barn section, the White Barn collection. I really like fresh scents, just like fresh scents. I don't really like food scents, like candies and sweet scents, like really strong, overly sweet. Like, I don't want to smell like something that's too sweet. I don't really like that smell, even for my room. I like really fresh scents. I like scents that are clean and warm. Yeah, clean and warm, I guess, and like earthy. Like, those are the kind of scents I gravitate towards, because I feel like you can burn those scents honestly year round, and I feel like all the candles that I got, you can burn them anytime. You don't only have to burn them during the winter or Christmas. Notes are fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, I could be saying that wrong, soft musk. So It just smells really fresh to me, and I really like this. I haven't burned any of them yet. I literally just got home with my package. So this is a really popular one as well. So this is Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity. So Mahogany Teakwood, oh my god, this actually smells so good. I actually did buy this candle before for a gift for somebody else, but I never bought it for myself, so I never got to use it. So I'm really glad I bought this year so that I can use it. So it's Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity. So it's rich mahogany, dark oak, and frosted lavender scent. Yeah, this is what I really like. I like earthy. I don't know how I would describe it. It's just really fresh, but it's also earthy, and you can smell like the essential oils. I can smell like the frosted, the lavender notes, the notes of lavender. And so this is the high intensity one. So they have the normal intensity if you don't want too strong of a scent. I got the high intensity, and I just love the White Barn collection because it's such a sleek looking bottle. White gardenia. So it says white gardenia, gardenia petals, sweet apple, white tuberose. Yeah, it's definitely very floral. I'm not a floral scented person, but I love white, and I just love how sleek this container looks. I think I just bought this one because I like how it looks aesthetically. I might gift this, but I really did like the container. I just like how white it looks. Like I can see this burning in, if you have like a nice white room. If you like flowers, or you like floral scents, or you like gardenia specifically, then you will like this one. It is the Eucalyptus and Spearmint scented candle. It is part of the aromatherapy stress relief line. I love the scent of the spearmint, the Eucalyptus spearmint especially. Almost every year I treat myself to a set, like the body wash as well as the lotion. As it is eucalyptus oil and spearmint essential oil. Like if you can burn this candle like if you're in your bathroom and you're about to go take a nice warm shower, or you're taking a long bath, this would be so nice to burn. And something about eucalyptus is just so refreshing and relaxing to me. Literally, I took the top off and I'm not even near it, and I can smell this. This is the first one that I've really noticed the scent just taking off the top, just like that. This is champagne toast. It smells so delicious. Like this actually smells delicious. It smells like a fruity drink. So it is bubbly champagne, bright berries. Oh, it's the berries that are coming through that I'm smelling. Juicy tangerine. Oh, it is the citrus. Like there's a citrusy scent as well. Like I said, I don't really like sweet smells, but I think it's kind of balanced out with the tangerine, like the citrusy tangerine smell. I can't even explain it, but it's definitely, I do smell the berries. So if you like berries, you'll like this one. So the last candle that I got is another like winter Christmas themed candle. It is called Sweater Weather Fresh Sage, Juniper Berry, and Eucalyptus, aromatic eucalyptus. So the juniper berry, I can definitely smell the eucalyptus. As I said, I love eucalyptus, so I like that it has that in it. I do smell the sage, and then you do smell something a little bit sweet, but I feel like this candle, it's just gonna be like a nice all year round candle to burn. It also just smells clean. Like it smells fresh and clean, and that's why I really like this one. That's pretty much it for my Bath & Body Works haul. I didn't really want it to be too long. If you guys like this video and feel like content with me talking about candles, then, or you like me doing haul reviews and stuff like that, please give this video a thumbs up, give me a like. Please let me know in the comments below what you liked about this video, or what your favorite Bath & Body Works scent is. I would love to know. I would love to try something new. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.